iTunes, owned by Apple, is a go-to tool for managing iOS devices, but error 11 can occur during restores, updates, or downgrades. In this video, we'll explore the causes and solutions for this issue. Part 1. What causes iTunes error 11? iTunes error 11 variations. Faulty program path. Encountered a error in application. Common causes. Antivirus blocking iTunes. Damaged USB cable port. Outdated system iTunes. Corrupted download. Malware viruses. Altered firmware. Part 2. How to fix error 11 on iTunes 10 solutions. Solution 1. Check the USB cable, port, and battery. Solution 2. Unplug other USB devices. Solution 3. Ensure your iPhone has free memory. Solution 4. Ensure iTunes is up to date. Solution 5. Update Windows or macOS. Solution 6. Update drivers in your computer. Solution 7. Try another computer. Solution 8. Get your iPhone into DFU. Solution 9. Force restart your iPhone. Solution 10. Disable antivirus software. Part 3. Fix error 11 iTunes with iOS System Recovery Tool. For a guaranteed fix, try iOS System Recovery. It's a powerful tool that resolves iDevice, screen, iOS mode, and iTunes issues with just a few clicks. It also helps Apple users upgrade or downgrade iOS versions. Step 1. Go for the iOS System Recovery section. Download and install this utility on your computer, then launch it and select More Tools, iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Link your iOS device to the computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad to this computer via USB and tap on Start. Then, follow the on-screen instruction to enter the next step. Step 3. Fix error 11 on iTunes. This tool will detect the info on your device. You can then check it and click Repair to download the appropriate firmware to fix the error without losing data. Once done, restart your device.